Hello everyone, my name is Norbert. I'm the SIGGRAPH Asia 2019 Student Volunteer Chair.
It's a great pleasure to be able to address you today as the co-chair of the Student Volunteer Program at SIGGRAPH Asia 2019 in Brisbane. It's been an amazing conference. I hope that the planning and the effort that we've put in over the last year has paid off and you've had a great experience as well.
We're all one big worldwide family and we've been able to create this successful event. But I hope that it's not the last time that we get to work together. Thank you again, and I salute you.
My name is Sophia. That's my fourth time I've been applying as a student volunteer. Student volunteer program can teach you a lot, like how to interact with people not just different from you, but from a different background. It's a really rich experience. You will meet a lot of new people, and companies like Disney and Microsoft and NVIDIA, you can see closer how they work. To be a student volunteer, you just need to make your application in the site of SIGGRAPH Asia. Then you will answer some questions talking about yourself and why you are someone that can work at this conference. Enjoy the most that you can.
My name is Vinod. I am a SIGGRAPH Asia Student Volunteer Team Leader. It's been 9 years and I've been coming back every year. As a team leader, we're the direct point of contact for all the student volunteers. Our role is to guide them, our role is to lead by an example. Our role is to make sure that they do not feel lost in any way. Our shift times are pretty much from 7 a.m. till the end of the day. In order to be a team leader, you need to have at least 1 year of experience as a student volunteer. And to do so, you just have to go to the website and go under volunteers. And it's the same application as a student volunteer, but there's an extension to it. If you're accepted, congratulations. I'm guaranteeing you that it's going to change your life, as it has for me.
Meredith Brindley, and I'm the logistics lead on the SVSC. I do a lot of arrangements for activities we're doing here in Brisbane. Local emergencies that need kind of being taken care of, I go about solving them. My favorite thing about the role is whenever anyone is delighted by Brisbane, I feel like my job is being done really well, and I'm like, oh yeah, great job, I'm doing it. If you want to apply to the SVSC in the future, it's ideal to have experience in the role that you want on the subcommittee. Usually a couple weeks after the conference, SIGGRAPH Asia, they put out a call for subcommittee members. I think it's important to bring something maybe a little bit different to the table. That's like the perfect way in. Experience can be any number of things, so you maybe should decide what experience means to you.
Hi guys, my name's Bilali Mack and I am a SV Pro lead, and I've been part of SIGGRAPH for the better part of 6 years now. I think one of the things I enjoy the most is that I'm able to connect with a lot of actual other artists or talented people that are, whether it be graphic designers or people that are really good at editing or people that are pretty good at motion design. Or actual live shooting of interviews and B-roll and things like that. Honestly, the kind of work that we do is super fast-paced and it's changing a lot. Being passionate about it, I think, is almost more important, and also being willing to help. Be able to jump in and be like, hey, I can shoot that thing, don't worry about it. We're a small team and we're kind of like a little family, and so you have to be able to do that for each other.
안녕하십니까? Hi, my name is Ju Yeon-hong. I am Student Volunteer Chair in SIGGRAPH Asia 2020. Next year, SIGGRAPH Asia will be located in Daegu, South Korea. Daegu is actually really famous for chicken and beer and lots of good food and night market and lots of historical places and shopping areas in downtown. So there will be a lot of excitement and fun things waiting for you. SV submission open on March 2020. I will wait for you in Daegu. 대구에서 만나요.